Flu season is fast approaching. Cases usually start to rise in October, but it could really be all complicated this year with the addition of the coronavirus. Flu shots are already available at pharmacies. Channel 11's Gabrielle DeLuca spoke with a local doctor about these dueling viruses.
You've probably seen signs just like this one outside of pharmacies in our area. The flu shot is now available, and a doctor we talked to today said it is so important that everyone gets one this year. For the last 6 months, the major health concern has been COVID-19. But as the fall season is just a few weeks away, the flu season is already a worry among doctors.
We know influenza and COVID-19 are going to compete for the same ER space, the same hospital beds, the same ICU beds, the same mechanical ventilators, the same personal protective equipment, and the same, even the diagnostic test reagents.
During last year's flu season, the state health department says in Pennsylvania, more than 3,000 people were hospitalized because of the flu. And if you combine that with COVID hospitalizations this year, it could be a problem.
We know that even during a normal seasonal flu, we do get hospitals that are crowded, that there are crunches on some of their capacity. So this is even going to be more challenging because we're dealing not just with influenza, but with COVID-19 at the same time.
When Channel 11 was at a local pharmacy today, we found a customer who already got her shot. Her fear, getting COVID and the flu at the same time.
It would be a nightmare. I can't imagine getting both at the same time. That's why I'm taking such extreme measures to just protect myself and my family.
Dr. Adalja said there isn't much data on the toll the two viruses could take on someone's body at once.
We know that influenza can damage the lungs, influenza can cause pneumonia, influenza can lead to secondary bacterial infection. So if you're fighting two of those at the same time, you might have more additive damage to your lungs.
And if you do get sick, don't diagnose yourself.
If you suspect you have influenza, you should also assume that you could have COVID-19 and seek medical care and get tested for both. And
we've put a list on our website, WPXI.com, on where you can get your flu shots this year. Reporting in Allegheny County, Gabriella DeLuca, Channel 11 News.